In a remote corner of the universe thousands of years ago, there was a mysterious planet known as Nibiru, a world that concealed wonders and secrets far beyond the understanding of the human mind. On this enigmatic planet, an exceptional being named Ahad was born. His story transcended both time and space. Ahad was an ancient soul who had wandered the cosmos for eons, experiencing a multitude of lives in different forms and worlds. With each incarnation, Ahad gathered wisdom and knowledge, evolving into a powerful, enlightened essence. Living as an ordinary human on Nibiru, Ahad concealed a divine lineage passed down through his ancestors. He possessed a unique connection to the mysteries of the universe and the ability to recall fragments of his past lives. One day, while exploring the vast plains of Nibiru, Ahad discovered an ancient temple buried beneath the sand. Intrigued, he entered the temple and was greeted by a celestial presence, an ancestral deity who had observed each of Ahad's incarnations over time. The deity revealed to Ahad the truth about his origin and purpose. He was a being destined to balance the forces of good and evil in the universe. Every life he had experienced had a unique purpose, and Ahad was to use his accumulated wisdom to make a difference in the fate of humanity. Stirred, and with a newfound understanding of his existence, Ahad embarked on a quest to discover his true inner power. Through meditation and self-knowledge, he began to unlock hidden abilities that transcended the physical limitations of his human form. Over time, Ahad became a guide and protector for his people. He aided the needy, healed the sick, and defended the defenseless against oppression. His noble actions inspired others to follow his example, and Ahad's fame spread throughout Nibiru. But harmony on Nibiru wouldn't last forever. A dark force rose from the depths of the planet, threatening to plunge the world into eternal darkness. Ahad understood that this challenge was the greatest he had ever faced. Guided by his intuition and the wisdom of his past lives, Ahad confronted the ancient evil. An epic battle ensued, with the fate of Nibiru hanging in a delicate balance. At the climax of the confrontation, Ahad channeled the power of all his past incarnations and became a being of light and energy. In an explosion of power, Ahad managed to defeat the evil and restore peace to Nibiru. However, his physical form was consumed by the intensity of the battle, but his spirit would endure, becoming a legend that would be remembered throughout the ages. Ever since, the story of Ahad, the being who had lived multiple incarnations in human lives and emerged as a divine hero, was passed down from generation to generation. His example of bravery, wisdom, and compassion inspired the inhabitants of Nibiru to live with a higher purpose and face challenges with courage. And so, the legacy of Ahad, the eternal seeker of truth and defender of justice, endured in the hearts of those who heard his story, always reminding them that even in the deepest darkness, the light of the soul can shine brightly.